How to get Wi-Fi password on your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get your Wi-Fi's password on your laptop or any PC in general. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll actually need to be connected to get the password. So here, tap on your Wi-Fi on the bottom, and after you're on this section, simply you can head over to your Wi-Fi settings. So as you can see now, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi. Now tap on this icon that says property for this Wi-Fi. Tap on it, it'll take you to your settings. So after you're on the settings of the Wi-Fi, on the top you'll find Wi-Fi network password. Tap on the show button and it should show you your Wi-Fi's password. You'll also get a scan. You can scan the QR code to connect as well, and that is basically how you get the Wi-Fi's password. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.